Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Bigwood 13. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a skiing. Bigwood 13 is located in Mammoth Lakes, within 4.7 miles of Mammoth Mountain and 29 miles of Yosemite Tioga Pass. Featuring an ATM, this property also provides guests with a playground. The rooms include a balcony. At the hotel, each room is equipped with a seating area, a TV with cable channels, a kitchen, a dining area and a private bathroom with a hairdryer, a bath or shower and free toiletries. Free Wi-Fi is available to all guests, while certain rooms include a Blu-ray player. At Bigwood 13, rooms contain bed linen and towels. Guests at the accommodation will be able to enjoy activities in and around Mammoth Lakes, like skiing and cycling. Mammoth Lakes is a 10-minute walk from Bigwood 13, while Old Mammoth is 2.7 miles away. The nearest airport is Mammoth Yosemite Airport, 9.3 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.